Ar Stondin Cywain heddiw ma, mae yna bartneriaetha diddorol iawn. Mae yna wr a gwraig yn fan hyn, dwi chwaer yn fan hyn, dwi wedi sgwrsio fan nhw'n barod. Wedyn mae gen ni ddau ffrind a mam a merch. Felly, at y ffrindiau rwan ta, Alex a Rhys, sy'n mae'r hwyl bore yma?
Iawn, diolch yn fawr, ie. Wedi bach o fylunedig yn barod.
Yn barod?
Bore gynnar.
Wel, yn y bore mae dalu fel dwi'n deud.
Ydy.
Be di hanner, wel, dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n sioi dalu rwan, ond Sian di, be di'r cynnig?
Ie, so cwrw isel alcohol, so cwrw crefft gath i wneud yn Sir Benfro, gyda y lemonade ni wedyn, a dim siwgr yn y lemonade. Rhywbeth isel alcohol a blasus iawn.
Ac yn lle ydych chi'n cynhyrchu? Lle mae'r cwmni?
Yn Langham, yn Sir Benfro, so ger y gleddau.
A pa mor newydd ydy hwn?
Wel, wnaethon ni hwn tair wythnos yn ôl, a hwn pethefnos yn ôl.
Ie, ond beth am y busnes felly? Be di'r hanes?
2 fis diwetha, wnaethon ni dechrau'r busnes. Wedi bod yn siarad lot gyda Alex a bwyty creu'r busnes, ond wedi dechrau yn mis Ebrill.
So what was the inspiration then, Alex?
The inspiration was I can't drink full-strength beer.
Right.
So I went out for lunch with my wife, who is, by no accident, called Sian. And this drink is sort of an ode to her. It's low alcohol, you can enjoy it for lunchtime, you don't have to worry too much, it's super sessionable and yeah, it's great.
Ond beth am y blas?
Arbennig. So mae rhywbeth i bawb. Mae gyda ni hwn gyda cwrw blond, so mae'n smooth. Rhywbeth i'r pawb i cael sy'n mwynhau hopi cwrw hops. A bydd un arall dyn ni wedyn yr un glas bod yna'n dod allan diwedd mis Awst, dwi'n meddwl. A
be fydd yn arbennig am hwn ta?
Hwn yw'r lager, y pilsner, beth chi'n fel arfer yn meddwl yw shandy.
Ie. Wel, felly mae pethau'n datblygu.
Ydy, yn gogloi.
Wel, iechyd da, boys.
Diolch.
Iechyd da, rwan ta, at y fam ar ferch, rwan ta. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, very well, thank you.
What's your name?
Helen.
Helen and Grace, isn't it? Yes. So tell me about your company.
So we're just in Talgarth, the other side of Brecon, so quite local to the showground. Everything's handmade by me. My USP is that I cut out as much sugar as possible, so what you are eating is what it says on the tin. And it's all about flavours, so it's making those special classic varieties and also the more unusual ones. I'm delighted to say I've won quite a few awards over the last couple of years. My Moroccan marmalade is officially one of the best marmalades in the world.
Oh, she's great!
And it has 3 gold awards.
Where's that one then?
They're in alphabetical order. There we go. So it's got 3 gold awards. So full of Moroccan aromatics. It's a savoury orange marmalade with carrots and apricots. Really versatile, great with salmon, great with grilled halloumi. Think of it as a savoury chutney, something special.
So you've got the chutneys, you've got the jams, and I see you've got rum on the stall.
Yes, so our jar of the week, working with De Villers Brewery behind us. So my Welsh rum and black is the dark sky rum goes into my Welsh rum blackcurrant jam.
And so at which points does the rum go in?
So I add that at jarring. It's pointless using a quality product and boiling it off.
Exactly.
So when you taste it, you can taste it. Ooh. So quite a few people say, should I really have it for breakfast? Why not? Why not? And we say as well, if you love a good crumpet and all the holes, if you put some in, you get like a double layer.
Oh, gosh. We haven't got much time, but your mother's a great salesperson.
Yeah, she really is. She's got me involved too and teaching me to be a good salesperson.
And are you involved in the production as well?
Yeah, we all are. It's a massive family affair. My nan as well, she does all the labelling for all the jars. She's the best, yeah.
That's fantastic. Well, all the best today.
Thank you very much.
You'll be shattered by this evening.
Oh, we will.
But it'll be worth it.
Yeah, thank you.
Pob lwc i chi.
Good luck, everybody.
Diolch.